Hello everybody, today I will be going ice fishing. Right now we're going to get some bait. Here's the bait. These fish are called golden shiners. So we got our bait and we're gonna go to Crooked Lake. So here we are at the lake, and it looks like there's already some people here. So right now we're out on the ice, and we're gonna find a good spot to go ice fishing. So we found our spot, and now we're drilling a hole in the ice. So we got this tip-up thing, and when the fish pulls on the string, the flag will pop up, and then we will know that we caught something. And we put this black thing on top of it so it doesn't freeze. And then we just go to the next spot. The ice here is about 6 inches. We put the tip up right there, slide the thing under there, and then we're good to go.
I like to set it 1 foot off the bottom. Personally.
We just got a tip up, so that means we might have caught a fish.
Got him! Oh! Look at that monster.
Five down, 1 to go. That's the last one, and now we will just wait. We got another tip up.
Pull, pull! Keep pulling. Oh, we got a long ways to go yet. There he is. Woohoo! Look at that one! A green carp.
That's the second catch of the day. While we wait for another tip up, we're going ice skating. There are some very interesting spots where you can see through the ice and see what's below it. We got another tip up.
Pull it up slow. Pull. Nothing? Feel anything? Doesn't look like it.
We got a tip up, but there was nothing there. The battery on my GoPro died, but we caught 2 more fish. Here are some of the photos. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thank you for watching.